Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to today's daily market review. It is Thursday the 16th of July 2015, and today we're going to be looking at the NASDAQ 100 stock Citrix Systems. Now, since June of last month, when Elliott Management, the hedge fund in America, took up a 7.1% stake in the company, there's been a lot of speculation as to the price direction of Citrix Systems. They've recently announced that they will be providing tools and assistance for the migration of Windows 10. And we've also seen some speculation from Credit Suisse as to possible takeover targets for the company. Now, the general forecast is the price will be in and around the region of around $82 to $86. Okay, so we're currently trading at $69.85. So they're looking or forecasting a rise of around about $15 to the share price. Now, we've taken a look at the stock ourselves, and yes, we do agree that technically there's a rise during the market, but that's not before a fall. Okay, so generally what happens is when you get analysts and technicians looking at stock and they give out these price targets, yes, they may well be right in terms of the price rising, but there's not generally a time scale that comes with it. The stock price may well fall significantly, leaving a lot of traders who took up the article or listened to the advice and decided to buy the stock in a lot of hot water. Okay, now by looking at the charts, we can see that we have 4 waves to the upside: wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. We're currently in the 4th wave, and wave 4, if you study Elliott wave, tends to unfold in 3 distinct waves. Okay, so it generally unfolds in what's called an AB equals CD pattern, which involves 3 distinct waves. So we can see that from the 24th of June we saw the first move to the downside, which is our A leg. We then had a rise, which is a correction to the A leg, which is our B, and we're expecting a third drop to the downside, and then a continuation to the uptrend. Okay, so the fact that we're seeing or we're expecting a fall to the downside, where can we expect the fall to end, and where would be a good price to look to get into this stock? Well, we've applied our Fibonacci ratios to the price axis of the market, and we have come up with 2 distinct zones. Our first zone being in and around the 66 117 area, which comprises of 2 Fibonacci ratios, and then our second zone is a rather large cluster of ratios, which begins in and around 65 226 and ends at around 64 394. Okay, so yes, we do agree that Citrix Systems is due a rise, and the target of $82 to $85 sounds realistic. But in the near term, we're expecting to see a fall to the downside, at least down to $66, but we generally think around the 65 to 64 mark, and then we'll be looking for a rise and continuation of the uptrend, and then we'll be looking for a target of around about $82 to $85.